Hey, welcome to another great video of Stay Outside and Explore. Right now we are looking at my 2012 Chrysler Town Country, and this is what happens. Okay, goes up, and comes down. The reason for that, I need to replace the struts. Got the OEM ones right here. Got them at the local auto parts store. One thing I did notice that I went on Amazon, and Amazon had a bunch of them, but some of the reviews said they only lasted for about a month. For a pair, you could get some for around 25 bucks. The pair that I got here, 75, so it's worth it on some things like that. So let's see, I got a ladder here. Let's see if that can hold up. We'll move it over here. Let's see if the ladder can hold up the lift gate. This thing is heavy. Perfect. Okay, so what we have to do is unhook that, bring that down, and the one up on top here the same way, and they pop right off. So let's get right to it. One of the things that I notice when you order these struts or liftgate supports, whatever you want to call them, you have to be careful when you're ordering them, because some will say without a liftgate motor or something like that, and with. So this one is powered, so I got the right ones. There might be some vans out there that don't have powered liftgates, so you got to be careful when you're ordering them. All right, so we got the screwdriver. Just want to pull this off, and the one over there on the passenger side, you can tell that it was starting to leak a little bit. I noticed that yesterday when this happened. So now we want to go to this one up here. Same thing, just pull it out. And now I want to pull one end. That you do will come out easier than the other. Sure it will, right? Just gotta mess with it a little bit. I don't know how much you can see of that. There you go. Yeah, just like that. So let's get the new one put in. That was the old one bouncing around. Okay, you want to make sure that you're putting the right one. So I just want to pop this up. You can tell these are a little heavier duty. Okay, I got that one up, just so you know. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna take my glasses off because I have a better scene without my glasses on this. This is not a really this is an easy fix. It's just a little, you gotta get the clip up. That's all. Nothing too bad. Oops. Here's the clip. Let's see now. Now I gotta get it up and over. Yo. Okay, got the clip back on. Gotta spin this around. There we go. Had to spin it around. I thought it was, I even looked if there was a right and a left, but there wasn't. They're all the same. So, okay, gotta get my screwdriver here. Pop it in place. Got that one. Okay, I gotta lift this one up a little bit. Lift the tailgate up. Or can I squish this down? Wow. There's a lot of pressure on that. I think it's in there. I just gotta put the clip on there and see. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do the other side next. So, as you can see, it's leaking a little bit. See, so, all right, I'm gonna get this one done, and I'll come back when we're all done. Okay, we got them all installed, and let's see if I did it right. I'm gonna push this button instead. Perfect. Let's try it. Try opening it now. Okay, my key fob's not working right here. There we go. Looks like another job well done. Like I said, it was $75 for the parts. And by the way, too, we have like 4 auto parts stores by us, and none of them had them in stock. So the one that I went to, they could, I had it ordered yesterday, and today they were there. So all I had to do was pick them up, which isn't that far away from my house. But just if you think that, you know, you're going to get something right away, you might, but then again, you might not. So just be careful if you're, if your shocks or your struts are going out on this. And you will tell, because I was wondering last week, the liftgate wasn't acting very normal. And now I know why, because on Saturday I went to lift it up and it came crashing down almost on top of me. So you got to be careful with these things. That lift gate up there, that thing is really heavy. So all right, I hope this was very informational to you guys, and yeah, that was an easy fix. So thanks again for watching. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll have some more videos coming out real soon. Take care.